In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable Selfie Bomb prank on your friend's phone or relative's phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, this prank is really viral and mostly used on iPhone. So what you need to do is in your iPhone or your friend's iPhone, go to this shortcut app here. Then at the bottom you will see automation, click on automation, then click on new automation, then go down here, search for charger, click on charger, then uncheck this option as connected. We want it when he or she disconnected the phone, so we will check this option as disconnected and then click on run immediately. At right top corner you will see next button, click on this next button, then click on new blank automation. Now in here click on this search action, search for example wait. So we will wait for about 3 seconds when he or she unplug the charger. So then click on this 1 second and we will wait it for example 3 seconds. After this again click on this search action, then we will say for example set brightness, click on this set brightness and then click on this 50% and we will make it 100%. After this again click on this search action and search for show notification. Click on this show notification, then click on this message. I will remove this and we will for example use this camera emoji and we will say cheese. It is taking the selfies. After this click on this done button here, then again click on search actions and search for repeat. Why we are using repeat here, click on this repeat, that how many times you want the selfies. You want 10 selfies, 5 selfies, whatever you want, 20 selfies. Then click on this one time. I will make it for example 5, so it will take 5 selfies. After this again click on search actions and we will search for tag photo. Click on this tag photo, then click on this arrow button here at right side of the camera and disable this option show camera preview, and then click on this back and make it to front. Then click and hold on it and make it at the middle of the repeat. After this click on this search action and search for save to photo. We want to save our photos which is taken by the camera. Then click on this save to photos and click and hold on it and make it at the bottom of the tag photo. After this you are good to go. At right top corner you will see this done button, click on done. So right now the room is dark, so I do not know how this will take the selfies, but whenever I just for example I will put charger to my phone, but when I unplug it, it will wait for about 3 seconds. After this for example the screen will be bright 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It took 5 selfies, but the user do not know what is happening. Now to access those photos, what you need to do is click on this photo. So right now here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am right now on mirror. If I click on this, the screen will be goes black. So right now here you can see at the bottom, these are the 5 selfies taken here. So you can use this method on your friend's phone, on your relative's phone, and you have any question, comment down below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.